best vibe coding tool for Windows. Vibe coding is taking over, building apps just by describing ideas. But what's the best vibe coding tool for Windows? Just tested the top ones for ease, speed, and power. Here's the winner in 2 minutes. Let's code. What's vibe coding? Vibe coding lets you create apps using plain English, no syntax needed. Describe your app, and AI writes the code. It's perfect for beginners and pros who want fast prototypes on Windows. Testing the tools. Just tested tools like Cursor, Bolt.new, and Replit Agent on Windows 11. Checked ease of setup, how well they handle natural language prompts, app building speed, and compatibility. Some felt clunky, but one stood out. The contenders. Cursor is a Windows-friendly IDE with Composer, an AI that nails prompts like build a to-do app and edits code instantly, super smooth, no setup hassle. Bolt.new runs in browser, great for quick web apps, but feels less polished on Windows. Replit Agent is solid, but needs more tweaking for complex projects. The best. Cursor wins for Windows. It's fast, intuitive, and handles everything from simple scripts to full-stack apps. I built a note-taking app in 30 minutes with zero coding. Just download, prompt, and go. Perfect for any skill level. Got a favorite vibe coding tool? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe for more tech hacks, and start vibe coding today.